about to get ready to start our day, head out. But before we head out, we about to check this oil. Even though I just literally just changed it about a couple weeks ago. But in this industry, it's always good to constantly check your oil, because when you running these trucks and you putting the type of miles on them that I put on it throughout the weeks and the months, it's always good to just double check it, man. So just see if it's burning oil or not. And if you need some, just to pretty much like just give it a nice little top off. Like this right here, most definitely gonna need some oil added to it. So I'm had to stop by the parts store. I had some here, but I had actually used the last when I did the last oil change in both of the trucks. So that's what we're about to do. Hit this parts store up, and then we gotta shoot to the west side and grab a vehicle for a new company that I'm actually got a contract with, a new motor club provider that I'm dealing with now. And when you're dealing with these new companies, man, it's just always good to be punctual, and not just in the beginning, but all the time, because the more reliable you be and dependable you are, the more they're gonna call you. And the more that they call you, the more money you ultimately make. So we about to hurry up and shoot to this parts store, and then shoot to this west side and grab this car that actually got to go to Bedford. So that's what we actually doing, man. Make sure I don't need anything, and I got everything. All right, y'all. So we about to get to it. Start this day.
Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still, beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds all here, can't stop till the path all clear. Slim run a sweatshop and a pet shop, cause the dogs all here. Even in the dark I appear, shine through the fall for a lift. This a headlight to a deal, they freeze, none of y'all out here. Years I've been dedicated, no stairs, I done elevated. 2-4 with the hesitation, they faked, I went up and made it. Cody, this gon' make a statement on him and ain't no debating. I see no signs of defeat while I'm on this road to greatness.
All right, we back. Yeah. We back to level. We carry on with our day, folks. Let's get to it. You ain't want to go to work?
Start from that. I just seen you on YouTube watching you, boy.
Oh, that's what's
you
up.
A big hurt.
Oh yeah,
I just seen you, boy. You like a starter me, boy. I love watching your ass too.
No, I appreciate you, man.
And you be safe out here too, man.
No, most definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. It could be better.
Looking a little low. It's time for some new dollies, y'all. It's time for some new ones, man. These dollies has had its fair share of work. It's made money. I've been having them for like the past 3 years, so they most definitely done did what they were supposed to do. But it's just time for some new ones, man. I gotta come to reality, you know what I'm saying? And just get some, break down and get some, man. I'll probably just have somebody find somebody that kind of can rebuild these ones right here. And what I do is I'll still keep them, like I won't get rid of them or nothing like that though. But I most definitely just have them around just in case, you know what I'm saying, something never happens and I need them. But it's time for some new ones. That one ain't had no thing on it, did it? Basically, I'm the king of losing the king of losing knees right here.
Right.
I took the ones off her car. She almost had a heart attack.
She almost got beat.
It was 3 days later. Hey, babe, what happened to the little thing on there? I'm like, huh?
My man.
No, you already know, man.
Fans.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, for real, man.
If you ever need me, you got my number, man. Yeah, pull up on me, man. I'm around. Yeah, no, I turned the hazards on.
Okay.
No, have a good one, bro. Made it up here. I think she said it still drives, but it just shakes real bad. Before I let this thing completely down, let me make sure, because they might question.
Yes.
You said it still drives, it just shakes real bad, or
Yeah,
do it?
it does drive. It'll shake, and then the light comes on, and it has it's like on a low energy mode, so
Okay.
you can't really accelerate too much.
Okay, so they can move it to a place
Yeah.
they need them. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
and I let them know that you're here. So
Okay.
I was just gonna grab my stuff out of the
Okay,
back.
cool. I'm about to let me let it down just a little bit for you.
No problem.
Okay, you good. Okay, perfect.
All right, thank you so much.
I know you're welcome.
Do you need anything from me? Do I need to sign anything?
Oh no, you good.
You have a great day, guys.
You too. Okay, what is going on here? That's weird. Okay, y'all, we just ran into a little problem. The unit not going down. That's super weird. We don't have no busted hydraulic lines. Wow. The solenoid seem to be tight. the other function working, so it can't be nothing up front, because if it was something if it was the switch up front, then would nothing be working, period. So that's weird. Okay, there we go. But what that was about, that never happened before. We gotta get back and just kind of go through everything. It might have been the wires inside of the controller probably could have worn out. I don't know, but let's hope it don't happen again, because we don't need them type of setbacks or stuff like that happening, especially when we on a call like this and we working with a new company. But luckily it started back working, so now we about to carry on with our day and figure out what we got next on the agenda. Pretty much after doing the last call, got that car dropped off. Now I decided to shoot out to Mighty Products, because remember I was telling y'all on the last tow that I needed some dollies. And as much as I didn't want to spend that bread for them dollies, I can't get around it. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I've been had these dollies for the past probably over 3.5 years. Probably a little bit over 3.5 years. And like I said, they've been doing a job. I didn't fix little stuff on them that didn't happen and broke. But it's getting to a point now where it's time to just, you know what I'm saying, retire them joints, because they didn't made their money, man, probably 1,000 times over, seriously. So I'm about to shoot in here. We about to get a new pair of joints, and like I said, I'm gonna find somebody to actually either rebuild them, or I'm gonna just figure out all the stuff that I need for them and just order them and just probably rebuild them myself, just in case. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You always need extra equipment, you know what I'm saying, laying around anyway, because something might happen at the spur of the moment and you just might need them. But, and also, man, one thing for sure, and I preach this a lot, the equipment that you use is your best friend. You know what I'm saying? So you always want to take care of your equipment, and always, you know what I'm saying, invest in, you know what I'm saying, the proper equipment and the equipment that you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. That's foremost, one of the most important, you know what I'm saying, parts of this industry, and that's just about any industry. So we about to shoot in here, spend this money. It's gonna make us some money though, for sure. Oh, you good. All right, y'all, so we got the new dolly. So now I kind of ain't think this all the way through, because I still got the old dolly. So now I got to make room for this until we get back to the shop to actually take the old ones off. Here right quick for right now. So listen, y'all, to everybody that RIPs to Brick, you know what I'm saying, BK, we named him BK, you know what I'm saying, that was the brick that I found at that one location when I was doing the truck had the broke ball joint, and it rolled me for a couple days, but it got lost on the train track mission. Wife wanted me to go back and save him, but I couldn't save him, so then I wound up getting this. I ain't gonna let y'all know how I got this, but we wound up getting this right here, and it's been coming in handy. So, you know what I'm saying, we pick up little stuff that we might need along the journey. And then what's so crazy, because we just found this one right here. So on our last tow, we was leaving out the parking lot and I seen this laying on the ground. So I told White, let me get out, I'll go grab it right quick. We might need it. Yeah, that's cool. They said they're gonna come back out and grab that. I just don't want to leave it in the middle of the parking lot for somebody to run it over. And that's it, y'all. We up out of here. We made it back here. Got the old dollies off. Got the new dollies situated. Pretty much like how I have everything. You know what I'm saying? I tried to make it pretty much easy for me to grab. I wish I had I'm probably gonna end up putting like some little hooks on this side, like I got on this side, and just put on that side also, so I can have one dolly on this side, one dolly rail on the other side also. But it's pretty cool for right now though. Now we about to head out to another call. Like I said, hopefully this goes smooth and we can continue to just move on with our day, man. Move on with our day. So, yeah, no. All right, y'all. So we just pulled up to the pickup location for the next vehicle. I think that's it over there. I'm about to run inside real quick and just kind of check to see if the lady already made it up here and already paid for the release, and then we can keep it pushing. But let me go check this out real quick. All right, so she did pay for the release, so, but she's not up here just yet. I guess she should be pulling up on her way in a second, so we about to just pull around here and get the load this boy up. This is a crazy little intersection right here. Yeah, go, please. Okay, man, this button is starting to not work again. That's crazy, man. The other function's working, but just the up and down not working. Alright, man, I don't know what old girl that, but I'm gonna need her key probably anyway, because these cars, like, really, there's no room to work with. So we gotta try to figure this out before she gets up here. Don't got no leaks, like ain't nothing leaking, so that most definitely probably could still the button still be working. You still hear the actual solenoid making the pump run. Okay, I see the problem right here. Got a bad connection. It seems like one of the wires is probably pinched or something. So we're gonna try to get this boy back together. Good to go.
No, I was just goofing off on my phone. I'm getting ready for a midnight release tonight for a game. So
Oh, what's that?
I'm getting ready for a midnight release for a game.
Okay.
The new Pokemon game. So
You do what?
the new Pokemon game
On what platform? Oh, tomorrow.
on Switch.
On Switch? Oh, okay. You like that Switch? It's cool.
Oh, I have it myself. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
My daughter had wanted one. Yeah. So did they say? Oh, so it's internal. So the leak is internal.
Well, that's handy.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. I found these like probably about a month ago. We went $60. They were I like them because the other ones they just stayed on like continuously. Them right there, they don't stay on unless you actually turn the tail lights on and then they work the brake lights.
That's actually good.
All right, so. Woo wait, them new dollies. Them boys working good. They working good, dog. Listen, they already making me money, man. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, that 2500 did hurt. That 2500 did. Trying to think, do I want to put them in like this or put them in like... Well, another successful drop. Got the car to the destination. Figured out what's going on with the unit. So when I get back to the shop, I'ma just clean that up. It was just a quick fix, real quick, you know what I'm saying? But now I know what's going on. And almost told the person today. Come on, Easy. Come on, Easy. What's going on, man? It was the tinted windows though, cause you can't really like look if you look from right here, you can't even really see in the car for real though. You know what I'm saying? She got the little tinted windows on there, man. So when I was backing up, you know what I'm saying? Plus I thought she was gonna call me. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think she was up there though, honestly. Like, but I would have before I put.
I'm like,
I know probably by the time I got the car strapped up, I would most likely know that she was there before she pulled. I don't think she would let me pull it off with her in there though. You know what I'm saying? But hey, all in the day's towing, man. Well, let's see what else on the agenda.